Hey out there, I just got back from checking out a house in Old Bridge. One of my friends is selling it. I was actually gonna buy it like 2 years ago, and I forget what happened. I think I bought another house at the same time and couldn't spread myself out too thin, but he was lucky enough to buy this house and then renovated it. It needed a complete renovation, so I mean, it looks brand new from top to bottom. It came out really nice. Let me tell you a little bit about it. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, completely renovated. I'd have to check with him, but I think it's a whole new AC system and furnace. I'm not sure, but I'm almost sure. I'm bringing that out because those are big expenses, so if they're new, that's even better. Detached 2-car garage. You know I'm loving some garages. And the yard is immense. 3/4 of an acre. I think I have a 1/4 acre here. So 3/4 of an acre. You'll see the video. I make a joke about what you could do with that backyard. The price is just under $578,000, which, in my opinion, is a fair price. And the taxes also caught my eye. I think the taxes are less than $6,500 a year, which in Jersey, you know that's pretty low. So let me show you what the house looks like. If you're interested in something like that, or you know someone interested in something like that, then reach out, call, email, send me a comment. I'll either bring you over there myself or put you in contact with the listing agent. All right, let me know what you think. All right, without further ado, this is the house. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. As soon as I pulled up, I noticed a couple things. First of all, you know I love garages, especially 2-car detached. We're getting inside there, taking a look at that. Then we're gonna go inside. First, I want to show you the street that we're on. All right, nice and quiet. I have to get an automatic garage door opener at my house. I don't have one. Yes, I do have garage envy. I have a 1-car garage. If I had a 2-car garage, I don't even know what I would do with it. Well, I know what I would do with it. I'd put a car over there and then make a workshop over here. Great. That's a side entrance, but we're gonna go through the front door. I was gonna put a polo on, but I came right here from painting the basement, getting big brownie points with Diane. I'm in the backyard. The backyard is huge. This house sits on 3/4 of an acre. 3/4 of an acre. You could put a pool, you could put a tennis court. You could put a pool, a tennis court, and a go-kart track on this piece of property. It's huge, I love it. There's a patio over there, you want to put a grill. Put a pool right there if you want. Tennis court back there. And yes, you could be driving dirt bikes back there. All right, so let's take a look at the inside. I love the smell of new paint. Everything's new in this house. Freshly painted, renovated. Nice sized kitchen, new appliances, new flooring, new paint. Looks like just about everything is new. So you got a door leading out to the backyard here. You got a nice size closet over here. All right, first floor. I'd have to ask the listing agent, but not sure if this is granite or quartz, but it's beautiful. We have to do the soft close cabinet test, right? Let's see. Oh, you gotta love it. There's something about the appliances when they are all matching. So they're all Samsungs. Even the dishwasher. Oh, for some reason, I like that. Nice tile backsplash, a little bit of flowers. No, that is not wine, olive oil. Here's a feature I like. So I told you that's a door to the back, right there. And then what leads over here is back to what you could consider, I would use as a master. Well, first let me make sure. That's going down to the basement. It's not finished. I'm sure you can finish it if you want. Looks like it's a new electrical panel, but I'm not sure. All new flooring again. Got a little half bath over here, so while you're on the first floor, you need to come over here to powder room. Very convenient. Again, I'm not sure about the HVAC or that's the fire alarm. This might be new. I'd have to confirm with the listing agent. More storage. And then this is the feature I was talking about. So you come back here, right? And then you have like a master suite back here, which leads right to the backyard. It's a nice big bedroom, only one on the first floor for privacy. Got your own ensuite over here. Now this is something else I like. That bathtub. I'm loving that bathtub. I have one of those corner bathtubs in my own bathroom. It's nice, one of those jacuzzi tubs in the corner, like, I don't know, semicircle or whatever. However, I have never taken a bath in that thing. It's just not practical. That I would be taking a bath in. That made me think of something. It's kind of cool to be the first one to take a bath in the bathtub instead of going to somebody else's bathtub. Like, I gotta scrub this thing first. That thing's brand new. You'll be the first one taking a bath. All right, so that's the huge backyard I was showing you guys a little while ago. Then you got the walk-in closet. Like, I don't know, if you got a refrigerator in here, you never have to leave. All right, let's go up to the second floor, see what's up there. So you have another 3 bedrooms and a bath up here. Nice sized bedrooms. Everything's new up here too. All right, these are generous bedrooms. You got the bath at the end of the hall, which is convenient, with a nice huge shower and a linen closet.